Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iagino. Quick NASDAQ 100 NDX update. Watching this potential double top, still potential, has traded lower, still needs to trade below this 10,370 level, and it will be triggered on a close below that. Coming back to the rotation zone and the 12.5% retracement. That's why we use the 8th harmonics and the rotation zone. So now what we're watching, this is a critical juncture. If it continues lower, watch for a test at 10,370. If it trades through it, it's a confirmed double top, but not triggered in our book. Now we're at that area with the rotation zone where we could rotate back up. If we rotate back up and form and rotate all the way back up to these prior high areas, then it's a triple top. This pattern's then invalid and we take it off our charts, because now the triple chart top would slightly favor a continuation. It doesn't have to be a strong continuation, but slightly favor a continuation, and the double would be gone. So that's where we stand with the NASDAQ 100 double, and we'll keep an eye on it, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.